you will be a better connected person. This is the seventh point. A better connected person are those person who feel that they are achievers. You can see all the good networkers who are networking with the people or connecting with the people and make people connected to them. They are successful person in whichever field they are. Like if you see a leader of your company or a CEO of your company, you always find that he will be a well connected person. He has a well connected approach toward the life. He has achieved something and which gives him or her a self confidence to talk to anybody, anywhere, anytime. They can be a public speaker, they can be a good 101 speaker. They achieve something and they stay connected. The next point is it will bring you opportunities and luck. When you are following a frequency, the frequency of your dreams, you get into the habit of dreaming your possibilities, and possibility can reach to those frequency where you can attract more opportunities. Like if you have something lack in your relationships, if you are not doing good on your job, if your business is not growing, if you are keep on those frequencies where you are dreaming big, you are stay positive, you stay connected, and these by following these footsteps you can follow and you can achieve and you attract more opportunities in your life. And by attracting more opportunities, and if you have more opportunities in life, you have more choices to go to success, to be a successful person. If you are if you are attracting the opportunities, and there is probability that you have one opportunity at one time, or you can have 10 opportunities. After you have plenty of opportunities, this will leads to luck. Luck comes to those who have opportunities in his pocket. So by dreaming big goals or big dreams, you can also be a enriched you can also be enriched with qualities, opportunities, and luck. The next point is it will make you realize that your time is finite. This means when you are busy doing something or achieving your goals, you are so busy that you have no time. And when you realize that I have to achieve more and more and more, and you know that the time is finite, that you come to earth for a limited period of time. You are not here for you are you are not here for forever. You are no
Permanent.
you are not here.
Nobody is permanent. Nothing is permanent.
ये
Nobody
तो मैं ऐसे ही रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, बोले जा रहा हूँ बस. Nothing is permanent. Nobody is nobody is
Nobody is here for eternity.
nobody is here for
Nobody is here for eternity.
nobody is here for eternity, और nobody is उसे क्या बोलते हैं, एक और मॉडल इमोर्टल. Nobody is immortal. हमारा immortal हो गया ना. So we have finite time. In this time we have to come over our rejections, failures, our bad habits. So a human being has a limited time. So this will give you a sense of finite time. 10th point is, even if you fail short of your dreams, your life will still be more rewarding. This is something when you are trying to achieve something or to follow your goal. In this process, you fail or not, you achieve something. You follow some difficulties. At some point, the things are not going in your way. And this is the point where you sense the urgency of your dream, and then you again tries to put your 100% to achieve those dreams. When you are when you are doing this, you become a better person. If you have a dream of a big house, by following this dream, if you want to have a home of 3 bedrooms or 5 bedrooms, but you fall short that you got the home of 2 bedrooms. So by this we can say, if you are following your dream, if you fall short of them, then also you are in a rewarding situation, because when you have started this, you don't know how to follow your dreams, but at that point of the other when you reach the other point, you have achieved something, some more process, and you learn more processes, how to be successful or how to follow your dream, and which things you have to be keep in mind while following your dream, which things you have to be eliminated from those processes. So this make you a better person, a better human being, and a better dreamer. So dream big. Big dreamers make the world big. You can see Thomas Edison, Mahatma Gandhi, Graham Bell. These type of personalities, they all were dreamers. So dream big. Thanks.